Hello everybody. I am going to bring you that eye look, the gray eye look. We've got Cupcake, Stardust, Finn, and Coal. I have my eyeshadow everything brush, and I am going to start by going into Cupcake, tapping off the excess. This is going to go as a base, kind of everywhere, all the way up. This is a matte. It's just a very neutral, creamy, very, very pretty, light matte color. So it is getting placed all the way up on both sides, from lash line to brow. This is your transition shade when you're doing these grays. It's gorgeous, but it's very subtle, especially on me. I have darker skin, kind of tan. Okay, next you are going to go into Stardust, this guy right here. I'm going in with my eyeshadow everything brush, kind of going in both sides, tapping off. I'm going to go from my crease up. And if you have somewhat of hooded eyes, you want to take this shade up quite a bit more. That way you can see it when your eyes are open. So if you have hooded eyes and you're trying to get those eyeshadows to pop, look straight ahead. Look right at that mirror when you are applying your eyeshadow. That way you can see where that line is that you need to get above. So this is Stardust. It's a really, really pretty metallic-y gray gunmetal color. So I'm going from my crease up. And again, you can look straight ahead to make sure that you've got it up high enough. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with that same color and I'm gonna hit the base of my lid as well. Next, I'm gonna go in with Finn, and I'm actually gonna go in with my finger here, guys. And I'm gonna hit the outer half of my eye with it. So like center of eye, outer half. Just getting some Finn. And then I am going to take my eyeshadow everything brush, fluffy end, and just blend it in a little bit. I'm not over blending this. I'm just making sure that there are no seams and that like the inner half is kind of feathered out. Next is the fun part. We kind of smoke out the eye a little bit. I'm switching ends, going in to Coal. Definitely make sure you tap off there. I'm starting at the base of my lid, like my lash line, coming out, and then I'm going in the shape of a V. So I'm gonna bring that up. See the V? So get that V in there. Do both sides. Again, starting at the lash line, going out, and then V'ing up. See the V? Now, flip that brush back over, and I'm just going to do some circles here. And blend. Blending with eyeshadows is your very, very best friend. I like to drag that color up a little bit more. I like this look a lot. This was called Stormy Gray. That's what we're calling it. It's kind of, it does kind of look like, you know, a storm over the water. Ooh. I'm going to take the small end of that brush and tap back into coal, and I am just going to bring that coal down below, kind of smoke out that bottom part of my bottom lash line. You can bring it up a little bit more too if you want to give the edges of your eyes a little bit more drama. So now I'm just kind of feathering out just a smidge. Ta-da! Stormy Gray. Quick, easy, classy. You could wear this going out. You could wear it staying in. You could be like me, wear it to drop your kids off at practice. Ta-da!